In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage your financial information in Bitwarden. Managing money-related data in Bitwarden starts with using the card item type. This template is designed for bank and credit cards and helps you store everything securely in one place. To add a card, open your vault, choose Add Item, and select Card. Enter the cardholder name, the number exactly as it appears, the expiration date, the security code, and the billing address. Saving this as a card item enables secure autofill during checkout, which reduces typing errors and keeps your details encrypted while you pay. Give the item a clear name so you can recognize it quickly at a glance. Next, keep your vault tidy so you can find what you need fast. Create folders for different categories such as banking, credit cards, e-wallets, and bills and subscriptions. Moving items into the right folder cuts down on clutter and helps prevent mistakes when you're in a hurry. Consistent naming, like including the bank or card type in the item title, also makes searches more reliable. Because this is financial information, prioritize security. Start with a strong, unique master password. Turn on two-factor authentication for your Bitwarden account, and if possible, use a hardware security key for extra protection. Set a short vault timeout so the app auto-locks when you step away, and avoid staying signed in on shared or public devices. Log out when you're done. Not everything belongs in a card item. For things like tax numbers, insurance details, or loan information, use secure notes. In the note, include reference numbers, relevant contact information, and important dates such as renewal or payment deadlines. Clear labeling and concise summaries make these notes easy to act on later. Make a habit of regular maintenance. Update expired cards as soon as you receive replacements, change banking passwords periodically, and remove accounts you no longer use. In Bitwarden, review your security reports to spot reused or weak passwords and address them promptly. A quick monthly check keeps your vault accurate and reduces risk. If you need to share access with a family member or trusted partner, do it the right way. Use Bitwarden organizations to share only the items required and assign limited permissions so others can view or use entries without changing them. Avoid sending any financial details through chat or email. Finally, prepare for emergencies. Set up emergency access so a trusted person can reach your vault if needed. Keep an encrypted export or vault backup as appropriate, and store your recovery code securely offline. With these practices in place, your financial information stays organized, accessible, and protected.